So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a mini bob haircut for this one. Very nice, got the bangs going in the front. And this does have like a square shape to it, which is another trend that we're seeing. Very nice, simple and chic, modern bob haircuts. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have someone rocking out the maroon burgundy hair color trend. Looks like she's also getting a bob. Stylist is once again adding in some bangs. Little bit of a layered look for that modern feel. Oh, he did the flip under. Wow, this is really pretty. Very nicely done. I love the color, love the texture he created with the styling. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So here we have another semi-long to short transformation. This particular stylist likes to do a lot of pixie styles. So it looks like he did an undercut asymmetrical pixie for this one. Beautiful feather texture he's creating with the blowout. Oh, wow, beautiful. Very nice texture throughout, and I love the way that her salt and pepper hair accents the cut. Next up, we have someone with gorgeous copper colored hair. Looks like she's getting some layers put in. Her hair color is so beautiful. Wow. And this, of course, is a great hair option if you want to add some more volume to your hair. Definitely try out some layers. So here we have another long to short transformation. Looks like he's going to be doing a bob haircut for this one. Now she does have really pretty curly hair. Wonder if she's going to be keeping her texture. Yes, so he did a really nice curly bob style for this one. Very nice. And this is a great hair option if you just want to do a wet and get up and go look. Very low maintenance, carefree type of style. And then here it looks like we have a pixie makeover. Oh, he's going really short with this one. Wow, love how this frames her face. She does have the feathered bangs. A lot of length left in the front portion of the hair, shorter in the back. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration by checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.